Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday weekend, March the 6th, 2021. We have here in this daily newspaper one regular Sudoku. Well, it's actually two. We have here Sudoku Medium, but there is also a Quintuplet. 5 Sudokus merged into a whole one Sudoku. It's a quintuplet, but I've told you earlier I won't do them anymore. The quintuplets, too much time to solve, time consuming. I need more than an hour to solve those kind of puzzles. So I leave a link, a PDF link for those people interested. But first, we will solve this baby, and this one will be number. This will be number 2427. Yes, 2427. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 2 is 10, 14, 18, 20, 23. Plus 3 is 26 printed digits. So it's a 2 stars. Yeah. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars in the additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? How about the number 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so on the row above. The only place for the 9 should be there. Then yeah. How about 3? Yeah. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then we have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 3, 2, 2, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Yeah. Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. Yes, so yes, in this big square we have four missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then 6, 3, 5. Okay. 3, 5, and 4. Yes. 3 missing numbers in the second column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. The 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 is missing. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 here. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 4. The 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and 5. That means let me 3. Yeah. 3, 3. 6, 6, 6, 6. 9, 9. Okay. 7. So we have a pair. We have a 7 in this row and an 8 in this row. In this big square, the 7 and the 8 are missing in one of those 4 missing numbers here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 8. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 8 in the third row. So the 7 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the 6 and the 4 are missing in this big square. 6 and the 4. That means 1 number left in the third row for the number 3. 3 is missing, alright. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 5. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 5 and this box should be a 7. Alright. 2 boxes left in the second row for the numbers 2. We have 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4, and this box should be a 6. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4, all right. 2 numbers left in this row for the number 6 and 5. 6 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 number left in this middle row for the number 8. Alright, now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. This box should be an 8, and this should be a 7. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 6. 7 and 6, we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And then 1, 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, so we have a pair here. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. In this column, the 9 and the 5, okay. 1 number left in this middle column for the number 6 is missing. Alright, so we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6, alright. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 1. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so on the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. And the last 2 numbers, 9 and a 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes for this 2-star Sudoku. Medium Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.